Hello kids. Do you remember questions with is, are? Let's play a quiz. Read the sentence. Choose the correct answer. 1. Is the cat hungry? 2. Is my sister in the garden? 3. Are the books on the table? 4. Is a lemon yellow? 5. Is their car very fast? 6. Are these apples fresh? 7. Am I 10 years old? 8. Are the children at school? 9. Is our teacher very kind? 10. Are those shoes new? Great job! You're amazing!